Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. This is Brenton with Vortex Detailing, mobile auto detailing business based in Oregon City, Oregon. Welcome back to the channel, all 2 or 3 of you. If you're new here, maybe we can add 5 or 6. I don't know. If you haven't seen the first video, 77 Chevy right here, you're going to want to check that out. It hadn't been cleaned in over 20 years, hadn't been driven or started since 2009. There's a lot of really cool stuff in that video there, a lot of cool satisfying shots cleaning it up. In this video, we're going to focus more on the interior. We'll be polishing the dash gauges because they are totally oxidized and cloudy and couldn't even really see through them at all. Couldn't see or read the mileage. So we're going to take care of that. We're going to do a little Vortex reset, if you will, in there. Not the great reset, nothing huge, but a reset nonetheless. We're going to revamp it, and then we're going to put a seat cover on it and some floor mats and just kind of dial it in, make it a little bit more comfortable, make it presentable. Stuff is, but I don't like it. I think it's literally just the steering wheel melting. Making headway on the gunk. Using the rapid remover. I'll tell you what, if rapid remover don't remove it, goof off never would. thing is absolutely trashed. It doesn't seem to matter how much I clean on it. It doesn't really feel like I'm making much of a difference. Everything's so cracked and faded everywhere. It's like, I know I am making a lot of a difference here, but it just doesn't really feel that way in the moment. So real quick, super cool and super rare, this truck still had the original spec build sheet and the glove box. Buying this truck from the original owner, I was able to obtain the original title, the original spec sheet here, which once you lose this, you don't get it back. Came with the original jack and the jack instructions under the hood that are readable, as well as the ignition timing settings on the air cleaner cap. This is a chrome or a metal plating right here. It's all oxidized. I could polish that up and bring that right back. Probably look really, really good. But how much do you want to polish a turd, you know? That's the $1,500 question here. As far as products I'm using here, it's just a rinseless wash by DIY Detail, which I love. This product as well as pretty much all of their products, and simple green diluted 12-to-1 in a spray bottle. Can't go wrong with simple green. It's safe on everything. Some of those more powerful cleaners will stain and destroy or fade out plastics, especially on these older vehicles. So you want to make sure you're using a safe cleaner on stuff like this, otherwise you will damage it. And I actually want to touch a little bit more on what I just said there. 95+% of the jobs that I see, or the things that I have to clean, can be cleaned with a rinseless wash. That's really saying something. I see so many people online using products to clean things. They're using heavy products to clean things that I can clean with a rinseless wash. And then when I need to, I pull out my simple green, which is super safe on everything. And it's diluted way down, oftentimes 12 or 15-to-1. And then if I really, really need something powerful, I'll pull out my all clean diluted 15-to-1. Never more than that, 15-to-1. And you don't need much. And then, you know, of course, if there's adhesive or other things like that, I use some different chemicals like rapid remover. So I just want to be clear that 95% of what you have to do on your vehicle, inside and out of the vehicle, can basically be cleaned with a rinseless wash. You might need to use the heavier cleaners for the wheels, tires, and fender well areas. And that's it. Everything else can be done with a rinseless wash, and a brush, and a microfiber towel. Making major headway on this. Could not even see through this, could not see the mileage before this. So now we know the truck has 88,236 original miles on it. You can see the fuel gauge now finally, and I've got to work on these ones. These ones weren't super bad, but you can tell that they're pretty hazy. So we'll get those polished up now. Got the floor cleaned up. Got the pedals cleaned up. Got the dash cleaned up. As good as we can get it. She's turning out pretty good. I said I wasn't going to do any more interior stuff or clean the seats or whatever, but I just couldn't help but to try to clean this little section up right here. It could be so satisfying. Look at the floor though. Boy howdy did this thing turn out, huh? Gee whizzard. Yeah, I don't think this is going to happen. Magic eraser might do something. Yep. At least the gauges turned out sweet. What's up, guys? Sitting in my truck, all fresh and clean. It's raining out. Junk on the steering wheel is coming back, so definitely the steering wheel melting away, it would seem. Got the floor mats in, got the seat cover on. She's looking pretty sharp. Not gonna do anything with the dash, at least not for now. Gauges, polished up pretty good. You know, they're not perfect, but at least you can see them. Radio does not work, unfortunately. It seems to be the only thing that doesn't work. All the lights, blinkers, everything else works. I broke the passenger side visor here when I was trying to clean it. It's kind of just hanging in there. Pretty unfortunate. Other than that, she's looking pretty dialed. So we got the new wheels for it. We're probably going to go ahead and take those in today if we can, if the rain clears out. Don't really want to drive this thing in the rain. Also got some hood hinges that showed up. So the hood right now is not hinged in. Just sitting here. We're gonna go ahead and put those on. We're gonna make another video. It'll be part 3. It'll be our final video of us doing the wheels, ceramic coating the wheels, putting them on, tires, and then you can see the truck's wet right now because it is raining, and you'll see, well, the whole thing is not wet, but the hood for sure is wet. And the rest of the truck would pretty much look like this if it was wet too. Kind of glossy, kind of sharp looking. I think what we'll end up doing is doing a wipe on clear coat and covering in and sealing in the patina on this. So putting a little shine on her maybe. If you haven't watched part 1 of the video, do that now. I'll try to put a link here somewhere above. Brent's with Vortex Detailing, mobile auto detailing business based in Oregon City, Oregon. Stay tuned for the next one. Part 3, the OBS 77 3/4 ton Chevrolet. Thanks for watching. God bless you.